Welcome back to the Secrets of Success video series. And we're going to discuss a little bit today about what's the next step in regards to working with your values and making sure that you're moving towards everything that's important to you. So by now, you should really have worked through your away from motivations in your values, cleared out some of those limiting beliefs associated with your values, and be moving towards everything that's important to you in one area at least of your life. For example, relationship or career or health and fitness. So what happens once you have cleared those away froms out? Well, often your values can change in hierarchy. They can actually change in what is important, which value becomes more important than another. So what I would encourage you to do is to look at your top 6 to 8 values, the ones that you've really worked on, and see, after you've cleared out some of the away from motivation, has the hierarchy changed? So if you look at the hierarchy and ask which value is most important to me now, number 1, what would it be? And get clear on what it is that is the top 4 values for you. That is the next step. And once you've done that, you now have a solid set of values for that area, the values that are driving you in that area. The key is to learn them off by heart. They're deep in your unconscious. They're working. They're moving you towards what's important to you in your life, but know them off by heart and know why each value is important to you as well. The next step is to really continue with this and work on another set of values. Go through the full process until you've worked on a number of contexts in your life and you've got that all aligned. If you're having trouble, if you need support, then drop us an email, or there is an opportunity to work with me one-to-one and have a breakthrough session. We do that over a period of 3 hours where we get together on either in person or on Zoom, and we do the whole process for one area of your life. So if you're having a challenge in your life in one specific area, we do a breakthrough session. We focus on that context. We look at your values. We clear them all out and do some excellent coaching around that. So that's an opportunity for anyone who's wanting some more one-to-one support. So thank you. Good luck. Look forward to hearing from you. And we move forward on Thursday with the next step, which is learning about your programs, your deep unconscious programs in the context of your career. What are they? Why are they important? How do they really impact you and your life? So look forward to sharing that with you then. Bye for now.